Well, everyone, you may be in a position where your Joy-Cons are actually not working. Now, most of the time this happens if, your Joy-Con is actually drifting, but quite possibly even if your Joy-Cons aren't functioning properly, you may actually be able to get them fixed via Nintendo for free. Now, I've actually just did this and it's a very easy process. It doesn't take a long amount of time and it's a very easy process. What can I say? So all you need to do is make sure you have your Joy-Cons. Do not send Nintendo your Nintendo Switch, but just get your Joy-Cons in place. And what you want to do is you want to make your way over to either an iPhone, Android computer, it doesn't matter, and you want to essentially Google this one thing, Nintendo Joy-Con repair. And once you do that, you want to scroll down until you find the Joy-Con repair program from Nintendo. Now, typically I would link this below, but YouTube is starting to ban links now, which is very weird. So what you want to do once you're here is you want to scroll down, read whatever this says, but you want to select the country you're in. So right now, I think one of the only countries you can do this is USA and Canada. If you're in a different country, this may not work. You want to select the quantity of Joy-Cons that you have. In this specific case, we have 2. And you want to choose whether it's the left or right. So one, you want to choose left, and the other, you want to choose whichever other one you have. So in this case, it's right for me. And the color of this one is the color of whichever one it is. So blue, the color is blue. If it's for you, it's maybe a little bit different. And now here you would go ahead and input your first name, last name, email, and then you confirm your email address. Now at the bottom, what it's going to do is tell you to put in your street address and all this other stuff, your phone number, and then it's going to explain to you or tell you to essentially describe what the problem is. Now for me, it was joystick drift, so I just typed in joystick drift, and that's really all I had to do. Now if you have a Joy-Con issue where it's something else, you want to type that in and see what happens. Now it's going to tell you to, understand and click all these things. Essentially, all it tells you is, do not send them any accessories, do not send them your Nintendo Switch Lite or your Switch or anything. Literally just send them your Joy-Cons, and then you want to submit a help ticket. And what's going to happen is Nintendo is going to send you out an email, and they're going to say, and you can see for me it was Nintendo Switch Drift or whatever I said, and ultimately all you have to do is wait until Nintendo sends you a shipping label, and at that point you just go ahead and package up your Joy-Cons into a little box, and you go ahead and put that shipping label on top, and you send that over to their way, and they will essentially fix them for free. So they'll send you them out. I mean, it takes a couple of weeks apparently, and that's really all you have to do. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.